Hey there, folks. I just purchased this benchmark drill and thought I'd do a quick unboxing for you. I got this at Home Hardware. It was on sale for a crazy 38 bucks. 20 volt, half-inch chuck, 5-year warranty. I've had some other benchmark products and been having quite good success with it. And I wanted a drill for our camper so I could just carry in the camper instead of taking my Milwaukee or one of my Delwalts. I wanted a drill specifically for the camper. So I picked this up. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you just to show you what's in here. Let's start by looking at the box. Benchmark 20 volt half-inch drill, limited 5-year warranty. It says get a higher efficiency and durability with Benchmark Omega 20 volt batteries, whatever that means. Half-inch keyless chuck. Well, practically everything comes with a keyless chuck these days. And the case also includes a 2.5 amp hour battery. Not big, but should be sufficient. A charger. In the box, drill, battery and charger. And yeah, so let's, on the side. Half-inch keyless chuck, variable speed, 0 in low, 0 to, oh, it's 2 ranges, low and high range. Max torque 380, that's fine for what I'm using it for. Torque settings, 16 plus 1 drill driving, electric brake. Oh, trigger activated LED light, I like those. Drilling capacity, 1 inch wood, half-inch metal, okay, whatever that means. 3.8 pounds, I'll weigh it later just to see. And additional features, auto spindle lock for safe and easy bit changes. And it also gives the battery and the charger number just in case you needed more. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, silica gel on top. That must be the belt hook. Now, I don't know who would hang a 3.8 pound drill off their belt, but it certainly won't be me. So drill. Warranty instructions. French side out. Let's look at that in a minute. This must be the charger because it's not heavy. And this must be the battery. I must start with this. Okay, standard, pretty much pancake style battery. Oh, it's fully charged. Cool. Charger. Nothing crazy looking about it. It does have indicators here, indicator lights, depending upon what those show. Wall mounted. Oh, and they give the distance. That's great. So now when you're putting the screws in the wall, you know how far to put them apart. Output charger, 2.4 amps. Okay, there's that. Quick look at this. Issues, do not return to the store. Call customer service. 5-year limited warranty. 3-year limited warranty on battery and charger. Okay. I'll read that later, but it looks pretty inclusive, including, looks like how to take off the chuck. Oh, retightening a loose chuck. Cool. This is the drill. It feels pretty much similar in weight to my old DeWalt. I'll just go grab that now and do a quick comparison. Actually, it does seem relatively similar in weight. Let's just check the weight. (1.39 kilograms without battery). Yeah, this one's heavier. 1.68, almost 300 grams heavier for the Delwalt. Let's just throw on the battery. 2.5 kilograms for the old 18-volt Delwalt. And this one here, 1.7. Oh yeah, this is almost a kilo lighter. Okay, so drill. Feels comfortable in my hand. Standard forward reverse there. 2 speeds, 1, 2 on the top, pretty standard. And you have your adjustable torque settings up front, up top here, with your driver. Oh, sorry, with your drilling and your screwdriver settings. And you have your 1/2-inch chuck. Light up front. Okay, 38 bucks. You can't beat that. So this will be going with the camper, and it'll be used to jack up the leveling jacks, that sort of thing. And it might even make it back into the garage during the winter months. But there it is. Benchmark. 20-volt. 1/2-inch drill. Unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.